Hi and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you what to do when you've got the problem of a form you've customized not being saved with the record that you applied it to. Now let's say you go to an item, you customize its standard form and you give it a new name. Let's say you want to create a new form, call it test. You decide to show some stuff or add some new fields to it. Okay, we're going to add all of these. And you just decide to save this as a new form. Okay, now when you're going to create a new item, let's go for an inventory item. You're going to select that form when you decide to create it. So for example, here I'm going to look for the GB test, which is this one. But when we edit this, it's still showing us the old form, even though we changed this form to test. Now the reason for this is if you go to the form test, the form that you created, whenever you customize that form, you want to make sure to click on Store Form with Record here. Okay, you click on Save. And now, whenever you update your record with the form that you set correctly, you save it. And now you will see that if you edit it again, it's actually the correct form that's staying here. I hope this was useful to you. If so, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.